Okay, now we're ready to start on our references or resources. The easiest way to do this is to start off with a Google add-on. So go here to add-ons, click it, and notice that I have Easy Bib Bibliography Creator. Now if you don't have this, go to Get Add-ons, and notice there's Easy Bib right there. So what I like about the add-ons is that Easy Bib, which does your bibliographies for you, connects instantly to Google Docs. There's no problems with it working. So you'll click on it and install it, and then you'll have it ready to use when you're ready. So let's do this now. And of course, what we're going to do is put in a page break, because this takes us to our next page, and then I'm going to create resources, or rather references perhaps. And now I'm going to go up here and hit centered, and that puts it in the center for me. Once again, it's going to be double spaced because that's what it's supposed to be. Okay, so as I scoot this up here, now I'm going to go into my Easy Bib again, click on it, and get started with creating my references or resources that I used. Now notice, this pops up on this side to the right, and it shows you that you're either citing a book, a journal article, or a website. Now this is important, very important, right here. This says MLA. You need to go right here and find APA and click on that. Now what that will do is this will put every single reference or resource that you use into the correct format. Now notice it tells you to enter a website. So I'm going to look at my resource page, and I'm going to start off by highlighting one of my URLs from my page. So you can't see me doing that because it's on a different page. So I've captured it, and I'm going to paste it right there and tell it to search. Now in the search, it pulls this up, and this is indeed the article that I looked at, prenatal exposure. So I'm going to select that. Now this has placed it in the correct format for APA. Now I'm not going to add it yet because I have a few other references that I want to use. So you can't see me doing it, but I'm going back to my resource page where I had gotten all of the websites for the information that I was using. So I'm copying one more of my resources. I'm putting the website there, telling it to search, and again it pulls up this, and that's true. That's the one that I want, so I click on it, and now it puts it in the correct order. Now if you notice, this person's last name is Gonzalez Casanova, and it starts with a G. My article here, on the other hand, is from this website, and it starts with an H. APA format for references are done in alphabetical order. So I'm going to keep adding in websites or journal articles, wherever I got my stuff from, and it'll put it in the correct order for me. I don't have to worry about that, which is excellent. Okay, so I'm getting yet another one, dropping it in there. So you're cutting and pasting, or copying and pasting, pulling up your information. This is like a journal article, so I'm going to click on that, tell it select, and now notice the A is first, then G, then H. Okay, I'm going to go back to my resources again, my last couple of websites. So I'm grabbing this and go back to my page. This is a journal article. I put it in there. And notice, this is air pollution and cardiovascular disease. And then this is another one. So there's several that are pulling up. Okay. Vitamin B, communicating, pulmonary oxygenative stress, urban air pollution, air pollution, web-based air pollution monitoring systems. I'm really getting a lot, so I have to go back and look at my research and see. This is 2019 Rutgers University is what I'm looking for. And I'm not necessarily seeing that date. 2017, 2011. So the dates are kind of all over the place. Coal mines. 2018, 2018. So what can I do? I can add in some more stuff. So what I'm going to do is add in Rutgers University to the end of this search and see if that pulls up the one that I have. So again, I'm looking, not really seeing what I had. That's the right year, but not the right article. So it's real important that you find what you need. So I'm having an issue here. I'm going to go back and let's see. I'm going to do another capture since that didn't give me the information I was looking for. I'm going to erase that. And I'm going to do this and put in this and search again and see if that gives it to me. Wow, and it's just really not. That's really bizarre. Okay, not going to waste any more time looking for that. Now I'm going to grab, this is a website because I know I grabbed that one for certain. And then I'll have to go back and find that article. Okay. So these are giving me figures. I wonder if I need to pull that off and do the search there. See, that's why it's important that you get the right information so that you don't get inundated with this garbage that I'm dealing with. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. That's the problem. Late breaking abstract. I had too much information last time. We're going to try this and see if we can get the right one, because that is important that we do. My fingers are crossed, my toes are crossed. It is not giving me what I wanted. Oh, I'm not happy about that. And then it gives me a citation. So I'm going to grab my citation. I'm going to stick my citation in here. And boom. What do we get? Haha. There it is. So I'm now loading it. So I have error 1, 2, 3. I have 4 sources. I think that's awesome. I'm going to click Add Bibliography to my document. And what it does, is it automatically puts everything somewhere. Here they are. So here's my references way down here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this up. I'm going to move this down to my page 5 because I have to do 3 to 5 pages, and so I'm thinking that that's going to be a cool thing, so I can take this off because it loaded it at the bottom, so I'm in good shape. So now you know how to do your resources. You copy and paste a title or the website, add it in, let all of them get put in place, and then after you do that, add it to your document, and it automatically does, adding it to the very last page. There we go.